Okay, now we're going to do configuration and hook up a keyboard. And first things first, we are hooked up to the network. You hit yes on that. We're going to flip the screen so we can actually use it. So display settings. So orientation, we want to move that over to portrait. Whoops. We want to move that over to portrait flipped. Keep changes. Now we can actually use. We're going to go ahead and modify and adjust the time and date. I'm going to turn off the set time automatically and set time zone automatically. Right now we're set at Pacific time. This particular site is in Eastern time. So I'm going to move that to Eastern time. We are right at 10 o'clock. Put these back on. All right, next, go ahead and set static IP address on the pin pad. That's going to be the 3 buttons, 1, 5, and 9. LAN. Option. Configuration. Got to enter a code. IPv4. DHCP, we're going to turn that to no. Now we can put in our IP addresses. Just pick the pin pad. We're going 192.168.001.240. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.000. Gateway 192.168.001.201. DNS will be gateway again. 192.168.001.001. And our DNS will be Google 008. 008. We will back out and save it. Save. Yes. Apply that to the interface. And back up. And then going to go control panel, power panel, and we're going to reboot this guy. Let's make sure it actually gets its settings. Okay. Now that we have our pin pad IP set up, next we're going to do kiosk setup. It's really easy. We're going to try running it without setting the IP address first. There's a configuration on the back end. Should go ahead and pull your IP addresses, site time, everything down. Okay, so we do see that the DHCP server looks like it is working on this network. So the setup is going ahead and continue. If it did not, you would need to set the IP to static. Just asking if the screen orientation was correct. I'm going to go ahead and name this PC. So it's going to be capitalized BK dash, in this case it's going to be 12136 K1 as in kiosk number 1. So BK dash 12136 for the site number, K1 as kiosk number 1. Hit enter. It's asking if the address is correct. It is. We're going to hit apply for yes. It's going to ask if our network information is correct. So 192.168.1.254 to subnet mask, preferred DNS, static IP for our master. One is 1.32, and the IP address for the kiosk 1 is 1.33. So two different IP addresses for the kiosk number 1. So do we want to edit any of that information? Hit N for no. All right, now it's asking for a Windows product key. The Windows product key came in the box, and we are going to be punching in that product number right there. And we're going to hit double check we have the right number there, the right code. Checking to make sure it is activated or can be activated. Alright, so that was completed successfully, and now the setup will continue by itself. We're going to try and catch it when it's ready to give us the code to pair the pin pad, but it will be setting itself up as the master kiosk and as kiosk 1, so it'll be about 10, 15, 20, sometimes 30 minutes, maybe longer depending on internet connection. Pairing the pin pad. Pairing the pin pad. You'll see the setup will stop and give you a 3 or 4 digit code. Down here on the pin pad, it's asking for that code, 639. Hit OK. And we'll get a pairing pin match. And then configuration will continue. And we'll get a reboot.